A typical day in the office involves spending most of the day sitting or standing, which can result in bad posture and discomfort. By customizing office solutions with 80/20 products, you can build ergonomic applications that allow for neutral posture and increased comfort, which boosts productivity. Create a custom desk, cubicle partitions, message boards, and so much more. Build your office solution with the durable and lightweight aluminum profiles and scratch concealing panels. You can even build artistic structures to add texture to your office space, construct a staircase, or build a table. Improve productivity with ergonomic and contemporary office solutions. Our specialists can help you design your custom solution. Contact us today to get started.